Hello friends, welcome to karmatech. So this particular video is for anyone who is struggling to turn on voicemail in iPhone. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now the very first thing you have to do is just simply open settings in your mobile phone and go down and look for apps option. You can select apps and go to the next page, and over here you need to search for phone. Now once you get phone, select that option, go down. So down here, you get an option of live voicemail. There is also a basic information given over here which says view a transcript of an incoming voicemail and answer the call before it ends. So if you have enabled live voicemail, then you will be able to see the transcription over there, and based on that you can decide whether you want to pick up the call or you want to end it. So you just have to turn on this toggle, and after that if the call is on voicemail, you will be able to see the transcription as I said. And where can you see the voicemail, or where can you check out the voicemail? So if you go to phone application, if you tap on 3 dash at the top, you get an option of voicemail over here. Now the interface of phone application is changed if you have updated your iPhone to iOS 26. But if you are on iOS 18, then in that case you will be able to see this kind of interface, and over here you can check out the voicemail. So if there is any voicemail, you can check it over here. You will be also you will be able to see the transcription, as well as you can hear the voicemail if someone has recorded anything. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. This is how simple it is to turn on voicemail in iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.